Are you tired of feeling like a slave to your credit score? In today's video, we're revealing the shocking truth about credit scores that your bank doesn't want you to know. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, keep watching to learn what you need to know. Did you know that your credit score affects your ability to get a loan, a job, or even rent an apartment? It's true, and many people don't realize how important their credit score is until it's too late. Your credit score is a number that tells lenders and creditors how likely you are to pay back your debts. The higher your credit score, the better your chances of getting approved for loans, credit cards, and other forms of credit. But here's the shocking truth. According to a recent survey, more than 40% of Americans don't know their credit score. And that's not all. Many people don't realize that their credit score can be negatively affected by things like late payments, high credit utilization, and even errors on their credit report. The good news is that there are steps you can take to improve your credit score and protect yourself from credit fraud. One of the easiest things you can do is to monitor your credit score regularly. There are many free credit monitoring services available that can help you keep an eye on your score and alert you to any changes. In conclusion, your credit score is one of the most important numbers in your life. By knowing your score, monitoring it regularly, and taking steps to improve it, you can take control of your financial future and achieve your goals. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative videos like this one.